Good morning, guys. I'm gonna make some mung beans, so let's go harvest some vegetables from the garden. Let's get some sweet potato tops, some string beans, and here are our harvests. This will be enough for our mung beans. Let's go inside and let's get cooking. Let's boil our mung beans until tender. Yan na. Ready na ang ating munggo. Let's cook. Ito na, guys. Magluto na tayo. Lagyan natin ng olive oil. And then here's our garlic and onions. I will not put coconut milk in this one because my company doesn't like coconut milk. Tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add my mung beans. There you go. I will also add some octopus that I have left in the freezer. I boiled this for a little bit because it got really tough. So this one is ready to go. Let's season it with salt and pepper. Gonna add our beans and our bell pepper. We're gonna add our ampalaya, and I will not stir it. Will not stir it because it's bitter. Just cover it for a little bit until it cooked. I'm gonna put some leftover dried fish. So when I put this in, I'm not going to stir it because there's some bones in this one and I don't want it to get mushy. Couple minutes later, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. These are sweet potato tops. I have some parsley and green onions. That's it, guys. We will eat in a little bit. There, guys. Loaded kayo nga tong munggos. Taste. Lami kayo. Lami kayo. I can taste the dried fish, the buwad. See? This is budloy. And then I have some sweet potatoes and danggit. More dried fish. Let me see. May ay. Kain tayo.